What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and the good name is Mary, and today I'm gonna be doing an unwrapping video, and I'll be unwrapping something that I've been wanting for a long time. It has been in my Amazon cart like forever. And take a guess, 1, 2, 3, take a guess. Woo! Okay, this is a year where we get whatever you want. If you want a car, go get it. If you want what, just get it, you know. And a girl is gonna be poor because of this. Ooh. You know, there's nothing as good when you are like unboxing a gift. It makes you feel good. Like you don't even need a therapy. Okay guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready, Emily? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Imran, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I was ready from yesterday.
Woo!
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
After a long time, I finally got a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Guys, you don't know how much I've been wanting this. I've been wanting this for the longest time. Like, who said that girl cannot buy for herself? Like, oh god, I don't even know how to open this. One of the things that I wanted this year, and to be intentional about it, is my content creation. And guess what? I got this to make sure that I, what is it called? Like, I psych up myself. So, oh god. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Oh my goodness, this is a very beautiful baby. And the packaging, you all. Oh my god. Okay. God, I thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. OMG, OMG. I am so happy, and the way it's like so tiny and you can just carry it anywhere you wanna go. And then it has, okay, you know, I don't have any idea of what most of these things are, but as time goes by, I think I'm just gonna learn every day, one at a time. So I guess this one. Oh, wow. Okay. I think this is a stand if I'm not wrong. And then let's see. I think you have to connect it with this. Don't judge me guys, I have no idea of what I'm doing.
Yeah, and it's the one thing about being Kenyan. You fix it first and then you read the manual.
I haven't even read a manual, but you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You just figure it out by yourself. Jesus Christ! I guess this is there's something else right here which I'm not sure what it is. Okay, let's see. I think so. Okay, I'm not quite sure what it is, but it also, I feel like it's also supposed to go there when you don't need that. I'm not sure. I will read. I think this one I will have to read, or I'll just watch TikTok. And no, I think this is a mic. It looks like a mic. I'm not sure, but I think it's a mic.
Yeah.
And then to be honest, I have no idea.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a mic. So this one,
Lavalier.
yeah, definitely this is a mic. And then this is a charger. Woo! Are you all ready for my content? I guess not. Okay, let's see what is this. It has like a small tiny box inside. Wow. I have no idea what this
Sorry,
is. A remote? How can a remote be like an empty box?
For the cover.
Yeah, I guess it's a
Protective cover.
Yeah, it's a protective cover. Oh. So one thing has been removed from my list, my wish list of this year. And I am so excited to be starting this content journey. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. I'm telling you, it's so tiny, like so tiny. And let's see. Oh my god.
It's like resistant.
Oh my god. And how to use this? I just need to learn. The next time I'll be in this video, but you see, it's wow. Unaona kitu najipeleka kama mimi ndo naona peke yangu.
Ndio inafanya. That's how it's supposed to. Guys, please, you better start watching my content because it's about to go down. Oh my god. Alafu, you know, I can see both of you in this small camera. Imran, say hi. Fish eye.
Look at my new camera. I swear it's so clear. Mutaka kuona? And guess what, guys? Guess what? I used my own money. Like, no one bought it for me. There was no money involved. There was no parents involved. There was only one person involved, and that's God. Huh? I'm telling you guys, God is intentional. I'm so happy. Like, small girl with big God. See God. And another thing, guys, I want to show you something else. This year, like I said, I wanted to be intentional and be so close to God. And also, let me tell you guys, the last time that I had like a physical of what I'm going to show you, I feel like it was in high school. Since then, I've just been using like an online app, and I'm finally getting a Allah. So this year I wanted to be intentional. This is what I meant. In 1, 2, 3. I got myself a physical Bible. The last time that I had a physical Bible, I was given it when I got baptized, and I think it's in my mom's place. I don't even know where I left it, but I remember I used to have it when I was in Kenya. But really proud of myself because I feel like I'm finally a grown-up. Or I don't know how to say it because I have never imagined myself I'm gonna ever buy a Bible for myself, but I guess this is what they say, you grow up and everything happens in a specific time, and whenever you're ready.
It makes more sense when you're grown.
Things make sense when you're grown up.
Last week ndio nimenunua Bible.
Wallahi.
Alafu nimenunua na kitabu ingine ya kusoma daily imo.
Oh, I have that.
Kila siku yenda kutokene bakisha kununua.
Yeah.
So guys, I used to have a holy Bible. I thought it was better for me to go with another holy Bible.
Haina kadi.
So, oh my, and it's a King James version. I'm so proud of myself, guys. I'm so proud. Like, I think this is the best thing that can happen to me in this year. Like, making this decision. And making this decision without my parents telling me, without anyone telling me. It's just that a decision that I woke up and I decided like it's time for me to have a Bible. And oh, I'm so happy. I hope I'm gonna be consistent with it, and I hope that, I don't know, I'm just hoping this is gonna go the way I've planned. And I had started with a Bible. So guys, please get yourself a Bible. Look how cute it is. I mean, it's very beautiful, and you know. Anyway, thank you so much guys for watching my vlog today, and see you next time. please wait for more and more and more. Wait for, like, my wish list for this is too long, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to complete 3/4 of it. 2 of them are already done. Clap for me. So thank you so much guys for watching. See you next time. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Bye.